Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix all videos saying video unavailable. I opened YouTube on my laptop the other day and suddenly ran into the video unavailable error on almost every video I tried to watch. So instead of assuming it was just a random glitch, I started checking the casual causes, and the first thing I looked at was my browser extension because ad blockers or certain privacy tools can sometimes interfere with video loading. So I temporarily disabled them and refreshed the page to see if anything changed. And I also tried opening a video while logged out just to compare whether the issue was account related or browser related. And interestingly, it worked fine outside my main account, which made me suspect a temporary account side restriction or sync issue. So I went back into my profile settings and used the send feedback option inside YouTube, where you can report playback problems and even attach a screenshot of the error. And I described what was happening in simple terms so the system could log it properly. And while waiting for it to resolve, I also tested switching to another account as a quick workaround, which helped confirm it wasn't fully system outage. And after going through those steps, the issue usually clears up once extensions are adjusted or YouTube processes the feedback, which honestly makes the whole situation less stressful once you know it's often caused by browser conflicts or temporary account glitches rather than the videos being permanently unavailable. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.